Hi, my name is Marina and I'm your tour guide in Aarhus. Our city is a true Scandinavian gem. It's small in size, but it's full of unique attractions and exciting experiences. My tour is designed to make your visit in Aarhus as memorable and as enjoyable as possible. I provide personalized tours in small groups, so we can enjoy the conversation and have a nice atmosphere together. I'm ready to share insider tips and recommendations on places to eat, things to do, and have fun in Aarhus. I'm dedicated to provide you with high quality, excellent value tours throughout the year. I enjoy meeting people from all over the world and share my passion for Aarhus. Book your tour today and let's have some hygge!